Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the description of that video, because in Telegram you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today what the market gave us here, another green day today. Let's zoom it a little bit to explain those things to you. As you see, what else we said before, we said the market it gave us here an inside bar, the inside bar, that red candle here. Until now we're still waiting the market where it's going to get broke, either up or either down. Till now it hasn't getting broke, so us we still waiting, because that inside bar, as I showed you in yesterday video, it came in a very stronger supply and demand zone. That's the level as we talking about. Is it that one here, as you see it? And now if you came here, you change it from candles to lines like that. What you seeing? You see the market here, he tried to give you here like a double bottom here in the daily. So even that one, you need to be focused about it here. If it's going to get broke in that level here, as you see it, it's very clear double bottom, like how it happened here. So even that one, you need to be focused about it, what the market is going to do there. I think picture is too clear, and also we analyze all those things to you before we show you all those things. And that the double bottom, as you see it, look at those candles here, what they do. It came here, it's need even that one to go up and to break here, that neckline here. So till now there is nothing new here. You need to wait in where is that triangle we got here in the daily. Is going to get broke. That one me I'm talking about. We got here a very clear triangle now here in the daily, where is going to get broke. Either it's going to get broke up here, we're going to enter long, guys, or it's going to get broke down here and it's going to fall down more than that. And also we show you here everything. You remember that 200 moving average and the 50 moving average. The volume today, it's very flat day. Man, no volume, and I've been explaining those things to you as you remember it. Saturday and Sunday there is no volume. As you see, the market is very flat. That means there is no big moves happening, so we need to wait in till today by night what the market is going to do. So I think picture is too clear, guys. Here we don't need to make the video too long. And another thing, let me show it to you. Last week we make for you the options. We said here 24,500 and 29,500. We make it in Friday. So let's go in now to make for that week till next Friday to see where is the Bitcoin is going to go. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. As you see, they change in the platform a little bit, but not that much. As you see, the next Friday is going to expire here. It's going to be 26th of month 5. So everything's still the same. The only thing, before they used to give it to us for all the brokers. Now they give it for each broker by itself. So that one is Deribit. That one is a very famous exchange only about options. So now let's find in a level. As you see now, they make it more advanced that the in the money here. Now let's find in a level where they are the pots alone. As you see here, that level where we are now here at 30k. Look at the volume here is 1.56 million. The calls here is 57. The pots is 0. So the first level is 30k, as you see it here at the first level here. Now let's find in a level for the pots down. So we started from down 23. It's going to be here with going up a little bit 24. There is a high number here, and here 25. Over here is a huge number, as you see it. Is it here 3 million? That's a huge number. So what else we said? We said 30k and 25k. That's the first two levels here in Deribit. It's going now to the biggest exchange for spot. So is it Binance here? Binance, they don't got a lot of options. As you see, Binance, they got 29, a little bit. Here, 29. Even them, they are going like to be like very bit. The only thing, Binance, they don't got big numbers here. They got big numbers here at 29. For the bots where they are, here at 24 a little bit, 25. So it's going to be 30k and 25k. So let's go now to our chart and to do it together. So let's go in there. So also what we said, guys, we said here 30k like that, and down we said 25k like that. So those people, that the view of them, as you see, that level here of 30k is very stronger level, and 25k is a very stronger level here and here. So that the view for people of option, the Bitcoin is going to stay all the week here, another sideways week. So I think picture is too clear, guys. We don't need to make the video too long here. Now let's go in to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, what else we said here in the last videos, we said we got here a triangle like that. That's how also we draw it together here. We said we got here a symmetric triangle. Till now it hasn't getting broke here, and it hasn't getting broke down here. So till now it's still very early for us to thinking of to enter long or to enter short. It's still very early. The only thing also we enter long from here when we used to have here that wage here, that one when it's getting broke. Also we enter from here. We put our stop loss here in that level here. Till now we still waiting the take profit of us. It needs to be up here in that level here. Still waiting what's going to happen. I show you even that one here. I show you we got here a head and shoulder here like that. Very clear head and shoulder like that. The only thing, that one is getting broke here in that level here. Then as every time, if you be in a long term trader and you've been in trading for long, you know the head and shoulder, always you need to put stop loss down in the head. Don't put it in the shoulder, because in the shoulder, that's what they do. They push to hit stop loss before they were pushing up. I show you all those things before. I told you the market here, it giving us here a double bottom here like that. The neckline for that one is it here. Till now it hasn't getting broke, and now it give you here the chart double bottom here, as you see it. As you see that one, the first one, second one, and here now the third one. It's need that one to go up to break here to know the market is going to go up. Also we enter 2 times. We enter the first time from that wage when it's getting broke here in that level, and stop loss of us it's staying here till now it hasn't getting heated. For the head and shoulder we enter from here. As I told you, stop loss it need to be down here, not here. If you put it here, it's being hit by that candle here. Now we're still waiting where is the market is going to go. For the people they haven't entered, I show you here. We got here that wage or that symmetric triangle like that. Till now it hasn't getting broke here. So when it's going to be broken here in that level, try to enter long. Stop loss you can put it here or you can put it here, depending where you want to put it. Take profit for that one, it needs to be like that. The place where it's going to be broken, till here is the same. Till here, not exactly till here. I'm going to show you exactly where it needs to be the take profit of you, because there is a pushing up is going to come, guys. Remember that there is a pushing up is going to come. Take profit of you it needs to be here when it's going to touch the top of that channel here. That the take profit of you. The channel me I'm talking about is that one. I show it to you even that one before, but it's okay to repeat it. As you see it, we touch the lower of it here, that time here and here. Now we need to go to touch the top of the channel here like that, like that, like that. But the channel also we're talking about is going to go to Bitcoin to touch here the 28k or something here. Then after that we're going to see if it's going to get broken here. That's when the Bitcoin is going to continue it upward or no. Till now also we're still holding our Bitcoin. We're still waiting what the market is going to do. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's saying today here. So let's go in there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, you remember what I told you yesterday. I told you look from here, from that zone here and going upward. What you see in here, that indicator here, it's showing you the market. It's like now to stay a lot in the place where is the bears they controlling compared to the bull market. The only time when we enter to the bull market is here. Now we are in that level here where there is no one controlling now. Now let's wait in if we are going to break here or no. Because look now what the Bitcoin giving you here in that oscillator here. It giving you here like a trend line here, as you see it here, here, and here. Every time it respect it now, it just fall down to touch it, then it's going up. Now it's hoping now it's going to enter here to the place where is the bulls, the controlling of the bears. We touch here the oversold area. Now we are going to touch the overbought area. I think picture is too clear here, guys. Now let's go into see our other indicator. What is it saying? That one here. We been here at the oversold area at that level here, and we been in a very stronger level. People they been with us, they remember that when we touch here, and we been waiting for the price action. The price action I show you here now 3 price actions. The first one is that wage here, we're getting broke here in that level here. That where we enter long, we put stop loss down here. Then we got here that head and shoulder. I showed it to you before here. That one here. It's breaking the neckline. If you put stop loss down in the head, tell now you're still holding your position. Then we got here the double bottom. I just show it to you. Tell now it hasn't breaking the neckline. You got here now that symmetric triangle here like that. That one you need to be focused when it's going to get broke, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. By the way, yes you, I know you are a subscriber and you've been with us for some time. Did you smash the like button? Please guys, support us. We want that channel before we reach to 2024 to reach at least to 5,000 subscribers. So please, and all that goals we can get it without the help of you. So please guys, support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It's a very small thing from you, but it meant a lot to us. So please guys, go ahead and do it. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. We said here in 30 minutes, the last video we said like that. Here we came to the top of that one and the tail of that one, and we drawing there a trend line like that, and down here we doing like that. Did that one getting broke? Look at it. Here is getting broke now. Yes or no? Now at that level where we are here, what should we do here? Because that level here, you need to be careful about it, because look at it. From here, last time, from here, if you came here to that zone here and you drawing here a line, what you see from that zone here, seeing a very stronger level. You are in it again. It's being touched the first time here, now the second time here. Now what you need to do, very simple and easy. You came here with me here, look at it. Then you draw in there a line like that between that one here, and that one here. A horizontal line like that. And down here, you came to that one here and that one here. And you connecting them by a line like that. Very simple line like that. What you got here? Look with me. I'm going to back it again. Look with me what you got here. You came like that, and down here you came like that. What you got? A very clear triangle here. Now that one, how you need to trade it, and that one is very important, because that one today is going to get broke, and there is a huge pump or dump is going to come. So whatever is getting broke here, inter long, is getting broke down, inter short. I'm talking here just about scalpers and day traders, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator. What is it saying? Our indicator is telling us we are here at the overbought area. Level us, we are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that. Now what should we do now? I just show you the price action you got. That one here, the triangle here. You wait is where it's going to get broke. Either to broke down here, you will enter short. To broke above here, you enter long, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.